I bought IKEA curtains and I hand painted them, which was really exciting until I started hanging them. It's actually more complex than it seems. So I bought a few hooks, this one and that one. So I thought I'm just gonna record how I'm doing it step by step, and perhaps someone else is gonna find it useful. So you can see this IKEA curtain has the pleating tape sewn on the back. And it has those little pockets where you're gonna be inserting the hooks inside. So I have my curtain on my bed and I'm gonna be starting to arrange the hooks on top to measure the distance where I need them to be. I just followed this fretting, whatever it's called, like here, there, there. So each box has 20 hooks, just counted them. So it means you need 10 per each curtain. So I thought I'm gonna place my phone on console. I should have thought it before. And from here, it's gonna be a bit easier for you to see how I'm doing it. So perhaps it's a little bit more helpful. I am starting by locating those threads here and here and here. And I'm placing this in the middle and start by counting 3 squares or 3 boxes on each side, as I said before. So 1, 2, 3 from this side, and then 1, 2, 3 from this other side. And then place my finger here. And then as I count those boxes, I am just taking 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here, like this. And I am placing this hook right through them. It's quite difficult to do it, but you need to be patient. And don't be afraid to really stretch this hook. There you go, the last one. It takes so long. Okay, there you go. And voila! One is done. And then for the rest, I'm just gonna be continuing to following these threads on this pleating tape until it's all done. And of course, I'm gonna show you the results. And now I'm gonna be taking these trösta hooks and I'm gonna place them on the railing. They're really, really looking fragile. I hope they're gonna work. So once they're on the ceiling, I'm just gonna hook them up with this pleating hook, and that's gonna be it. So I have 2 already, and I'm gonna place them like that. Starting with this hole. It's really difficult to do it with one hand. There you go. I'm just gonna have it like that. I'm gonna do all of them 20 because I had 20 pleating hooks, and yeah, that should be done. Yay, it's hanging already. It's a little bit long. I will need to fold the edging, but it's exciting. It's really, really nice. Really, really exciting. So a little update. I removed the pleat from the sides of the curtains. This way, it doesn't form the V shape and it connects really nicely. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really, really hope that you enjoyed it and you found it useful or inspiring in one way or another. I really, really enjoyed making it, and I thought I'm gonna keep creating and use my interior design background as a starting point. So share some favorite finds from your favorite stores all over the world. So it could be IKEA, Zara Home. Just share something that could be useful for you. And in the meantime, please let me know if I could help you with anything. I'm here to help and I would love to do so. It's exciting. I'm excited about this chapter and I'll see where it goes. Thank you. Lots of love from Zurich. And while I was doing it, I was listening to Wayne Dyer, Excuses Begun audiobook. It's really inspiring. I really, really highly recommend it. It inspired me in so many different ways, and I always listen to it when I need a little bit of a boost, kick in my butt to really stop procrastinating and work on my dream life. Adjusting my camera, and it's so sunny out. 8 hooks. I just used this fret. What is it? What is it called even? I started making these videos. The sun is too bright.